Om Sri Sai Ram. Premavahini, Chapter 34. Awake, arise, and tread the path of love and devotion. Hindu brethren, children of Bharat, India, followers of the ancient Sanatana way, where have the human qualities of old gone? Truth, tolerance, morality, discipline. When would you accept them? Arise, awake, establish once again the kingdom of Rama, Rajya, resplendent with mansions of truth, dharma, and peace. Love your Bharatiya Indian brethren. Practice the eternal religion. Quench the burning flames of ignorance, peacelessness, injustice, and envy with the waters of love, forbearance, and truth. Develop the feeling of mutualness. Sweep away all jealousy and anger. Remember the rule of the holy personages, the characteristics of the most eminent, and the reign of God. Each one should realize their own faults and understand that there is no use in searching for faults in others. It is a mere waste of time. It also breeds quarrels, so give up that trait. If this opportunity is missed, what else can be done? Don't yield to dejection, but say, Finis to all the unrighteousness of the past. Repent sincerely and tread the path of prayer to God, good deeds, and brotherly love. Establish the eternal kingdom of Rama, Rajya. Sanatana Sarathi was started to win this kingdom. Its army will help this effort by word and deed. Draw that chariot forward. Gird up your loins and seek the protection of the Lord. Bharatiyas, Indians are all children of one mother. Her name is Sanatana Dharma, eternal religion. Redeem the debt due to the mother. He is no son who forgets the mother. He cannot be good who says mother is bad. Her breast milk is the very breath of our life. The giver of this life, the father of all this, is Supreme Lord Paramatma. All are children of the same parents. So, without blaming and accusing each other, without wishing evil for your kith and kin, understand that your brothers have the same attachment to the objects they love that you have to the ones that you love. Don't find fault with or laugh at what another loves. On the other hand, try to love it. These are the characteristics of truth and love of Bharatiyas. Jai Sai Ram. Om Sri Sai Ram. Premavahini, Chapter 35. The universal soul is one and only one. The Vedas, the scriptures, and the messages of the sages, rishis, all have proclaimed uniformly and without any possibility of doubt from that day to this that the Supreme Lord Paramatma is the universal soul, Sarvantaryami, present and immanent in everything. Issues like the relationship between he who is served, he who serves, and the wherewithal of service have also been the subject of endless discussion. Every believer Astika has heard that Bhagavata verse in which the great devotee Prahalada states that out of his own experience that the Supreme Lord need not be searched for and far and wide, that he is already very near the seeker. He is here, he is not here. Give up such doubts. Listen, O leaders of the demons, Danavas. Wherever you seek and wherever you see, there and there he is. People speak of the Lord as having a particular nature or characteristic, a particular form, and so on. These statements are true only to the extent that imagination and guesswork can approximate the truth. They are not the fundamental truth. Such conceptions are valid as far as practical worldly knowledge goes, but they cannot be considered as valid knowledge of the Absolute, for it is impossible to see or speak about the complete Purna. Jai Sai Ram.